And now to our weekly market monitor who likes tech, biotech. Those are areas where he sees growth this year and next. Last time he was on, back in October of last year, he recommended Facebook. It's up 37%, Microsoft up 38%, and Salesforce, which is 40% higher. So you better listen up. He's Mark Lehmann. He's president of JMP Securities. Mark, good to have you back. Let's go for that kind of performance again, 30s and 40s. How about it?
We can do this one more time, Tyler. That'd be great.
If you can do it one more time,
was listening back then.
I'm coming to work for you. You still
Beautiful.
like Facebook? You think it's got more room to run? You're not worried about any sort of government concerns or regulation of it, among other things?
I worry about everything, so I'm worried about that as well as other specters. But fundamentals obviously are more important, and the fundamentals are advertising growth is accelerating. I think what you're seeing in some of their other businesses besides core Facebook, like Instagram growing and the number of advertising really doubling in the last 6 months, what they're about to do in video, they're going to grow their EBITDA by north of 50% in this quarter, and I still think that's a must-own stock that has upside. We have a price target just shy of $200 for that stock and expect a good third quarter when they report that shortly.
A real core holding, if ever there was one. You had a couple of others in the health and biomedical sciences area. One company I'm not so familiar with is Esperion. Tell me who they are, what they do, and what you expect from them.
So Esperion is a really interesting company that works on a very common, unfortunate side of statin intolerant, people who really cannot tolerate statins. We all know the crisis and the benefit of statins. They work for people who statins just don't work for, or give people who can't take the normal statins. They are building a drug for those people that we have reaching $1 billion in sales, north of $1 billion in sales after 2020. It's a really well-run company, somewhere we've followed for a long time. It's had its ups and downs with approvals and regulation, but we expect a good pathway to approval in 2020, some good news flow in the next few years. It's not a stock you look at day to day and see it going up $1 a day. It's something that we think has material upside, but you do need to be patient. But this is a big audience, and they are going to get the receptivity. But it has pretty much gone up
$1 a day this past year. It's up nearly 300%. Should I worry about that very quickly? Am I getting in too late?
Like any biotech, it's a biotech that has binary results, but we expect positive results. It has risen a great deal. It's also down 50% from its peak, Tyler.
Okay.
But we see that kind of upside if they get those results in the next few years.
All right, let's go to Wave Life Sciences. Quick thought there, why you like it.
They play in a big neurodegenerative disease market. It's got about a $600 million market cap, so it's not quite as large as the ones we just discussed. But they're playing in a sphere where if they get some approvals, some of their peers have gone to a $10 billion valuation, and I'm certainly not calling for that. But you look at the regulatory pathways, you have many more drugs getting approved than these complete response letters that takes drug stocks down. We expect good news there, and the biotech index has had great success this year. This is one that if they have the success, the stock's going a heck of a lot higher.
Mark, continued good performance to you and your customers. Mark Lehmann with JMP Securities. Thanks again.